Okay, time to put that back in this bracket here. So these earlier, I had to bend these, so now we're going to bend the back. If I can work kind of backwards here. Just give them a little leverage. So they kind of get their spring back there. That's it, that's all you need. Just get that cable through that slot. And push. Okay, so the cable's in. This is the part, it's not too bad. I'm just gonna pull that spring back. Might even be able to do it by hand right now. Let's see, it goes on like that. So it's probably gonna move, but what you want to do is go back where the emergency brake cable is disconnected on the driver's side, where it meets that where the two go into one, that little retainer, and you want to pull the cable toward the front of the truck. Relax it a little bit. Maybe. There we go. So now that you did that, probably have to readjust it, but it should make it a little easier. Kind of. Does it both ways. Makes it harder to work the spring on, and at the same time it makes it easier to get it on once it's on. See, I'm almost there. There. So now that's on. So that's that. Maybe somebody has a simpler way to do it, but that's how I do it.